Hello students, now in this video you will get how to solve the method of by the method of substitution. Substitution method. By elimination I have shown you, by comparison in previous videos you have got. Now this is substitution method. Now see, I am starting with this 5 1. 2 into x minus y equals to 3. It is given, and another is given. Okay, I am writing afterwards. So multiply 2x minus 2y equals to 3. From here x equals to what is coming, write down 2x equals to 3 plus 2y, or x is coming 3 plus 2y by 2. Clear? This is my equation number 1. This is equation number 3. X equals to, we have got 3 plus 2y by 2. Now I am writing equation number 2. What is my equation number 2? 5x plus 8y equals to 14. Now by substitution method, what I will do? I will substitute this value of x. Here this is my equation number 2. So here you have to mention it. Substituting the value of x in equation 2. Clear? Then my x is this. So in place of x, I will write down this 3 plus 2y by 2 plus 8y equals to 14. Now this equation is only in one unknown, that is y. So you can solve it very easily. Now multiply by 3, 15 plus 10y, and together I am taking the LCM. So it is coming 16y equals to 14. Then 26y plus 15 cross multiply 28. Then 26y equals to 28 minus 15, that means 13. Clear? So y is coming, I have to keep this, y is coming 13 by 26, that means half. Now you will put this value of y in equation number 3, that is x equals to this. X equals to, we had 3 plus 2y by 2. Now we have got y half. So put this value of y here. So 3 plus 2 into half by 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 means 2. So my x is 2, y is half. I am checking the answer. It says 5.5. Which sum I have done? 5, 1. Y half x2. Yes, these are the solutions. This is little bit lengthier process, so if anything will not be mentioned that solved by this method, so you will opt for either comparison method or by elimination method you will solve. Okay, don't opt for substitution method. It is little bit lengthier process. Now I am trying sum number 3. X by 2 plus y by 3 equals to 1. This is my equation number 1. From here I will write x equals to what? So one thing you can do, you can take LCM. So it is becoming 3x plus 2y equals to 1. So 3x is coming, directly I am writing 6 minus 2y. Therefore x is coming 6 minus 2y by 3. This is my equation number 3. Clear? Equation number 3. Now second equation, x by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 1. X by 3 plus y by 2 equals to 1. This is my second equation. So here again cross multiply, take LCM. So 2x plus 3y equals to 1. That means 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Now here I will substitute the value of x. So this is my equation number 2. Substituting, or after 2, this you can write 4. Substituting the value of x in equation 4. So 2 into, that is 6 minus 2y by 3, 2x plus 3y equals to 6. Now this equation is in one variable, that is in y. So solve for y. Then multiply 12 minus 4y, and directly I am taking the LCM also here. Plus 9y equals to 6, or 5y, and 5y plus 12 equals to 18. So 5y is coming 18 minus 12, 6. Y is coming 6 by 5. I am checking the answer. Sum number 3, y 6 by 5. Yes, this y, now I put this value of y in equation number 3. Therefore x is 6 minus 2 into y. Y means 6 by 5 by 3. 6 minus 12 by 5. Then minus 12. 30 minus 12, that means 18. 18 by 5. So we can write it 18 by 5 into 3, 6. So in this equation I am getting both the values same. Solutions are equal. X 6 by 5 and y also 6 by 5. Clear? Now next sum we will get in next video.